The free loops of a row around are the loops left over after you have worked either in the back loop or front loop of a row around. In this case, I have a round here, as you can see, and it leaves these loops open for later working into them. Your pattern will tell you what kind of stitch to work into a free loop, but I have worked a TR right here. And when the pattern suggests or tells you a stitch to work into a free loop, you actually insert your hook from bottom to top to work your stitch into, unless in some cases they'll tell you a specific thing that will maybe either twist this loop or work even from top to bottom. I have seen that also. But these are the free loops left over after working around in the back loop.